I'm a makeup and a beauty expert, and in today's video, I'm going to share with you how I take care of my skin during the day. So let's get started. Cleansing, toning, moisturizing is something that I want to really focus on today, right? Doing CTM twice a day is very, very essential for having a good skin. So what does cleansing, toning, moisturizing really do? So cleansing really helps us in removing all the impurities and toxins from the skin. It helps in maintaining the pH levels of the skin. Toning, as we all know, helps in reducing and minimizing the size of the pores on our skin. So if we have open pores that we tend to develop with age, it helps in tightening those pores. And of course, moisturizer is very, very important because it helps in hydrating our skin. Otherwise, you know how we feel so itchy and dry, with that. So these two steps doing twice a day is absolutely essential. And I promise you, if you try this for 15 days, you will automatically see a lot of difference in your own skin. Even in terms of any facials or any treatments that you do will sustain longer if you follow the regimen of doing CTM twice a day. So today's video, I'm just going to show you what I do, how I remove my makeup in the night, followed by the CTM that I do in the night. So first of all, because I have a very, very dry skin, so I use olive oil, or maybe you can use a coconut oil to remove the makeup from the skin. If you have oily skin, then you can use a normal makeup remover, or you can also use micellar water, which is available in the market these days. But I'm just using some olive oil on my face today. Just applying it everywhere. This is going to be cleaning my skin without actually making my skin feel dry. It really helps in removing all the eye makeup quickly. I'm just using a clean cloth. I'm just going to wipe my face. As you can see, a lot of makeup has actually come off using that olive oil. Also, if you are wearing a liner or a kajal which is smudge proof, so you can actually take a cupid and you can just dip it in the olive oil and just apply it under the eye and over the eyelid. There you have the smudge proof product. So this is actually going to remove everything that you have, making your skin completely clean. Now after this, if you want to use a soap cleanser, that is your personal choice. In case you like to do, I like to use baby shampoos or baby soaps that we have in the market today. It's just that they are very mild in terms of the soap quantity. Otherwise, I would just leave it like that because I feel that the skin kind of feels more hydrated. Next, I am just using a toner. You can use any toner or you can use a rose water. As we spoke before, that the toner helps in minimizing the pores and making the skin feel more fresh. Also, if you're feeling anything oily from the previous oil application, this toner is going to help you remove everything. Next, I'm going to be using a moisturizer. I think just every day take 2 minutes off in the morning and 2 minutes off in the night and just massage the moisturizer nicely into your skin. Because of the lockdown, actually I've run out of my night cream that I usually use it in the night. In case you have a very, very dry skin, you can also use vitamin E capsules. Just break them a little bit and just gently massage it over the skin. And I never forget to apply a SPF even before I go to sleep. So the one that I'm using today is a SPF 50, which I feel is very, very essential because any damages caused by the sun are totally irreversible, guys. So please use a SPF on a regular basis. Do not worry about the products at this point in time when we are in this lockdown. Just try with whatever you have at home, but get into the habit of taking care of your skin twice a day. इसके साथ अपनी skin को hydrated रखना भी बहुत ज़रूरी है. So have a lot of water and keep yourself hydrated in this changing weather. For more such information and for more such content, log on to Foxy. Stay fab, stay foxy.